Hi, I'm Professor Quarter. It's the day before the Super Bowl, and I'm making this video for you so you will know how to navigate our physical geography and the environment lab course. First, what you want to do is go to sac.edu. That's SAC, like Santana College.edu. At the top, you're going to see Canvas. Click on that. When you click on that, it will allow you to enter your username and your password. Once you do that, you're going to come to your dashboard. See that? This is a dashboard. I realize that many of you already know how to do this because we've been remote for a while, but just so that we're all on the same page. Then you find your class. This is my dashboard. So here would be the class right here that we're going to be in together, this Geography 101L number 93477. Mondays at 12:15 we meet. Click on that. There we go, it opens up. Start here, interesting place to go. Why not see what's happening? So this will tell you a little bit about what's going on with the class. Then you can see if I refresh, go back over here, we have almost the exact same thing. You know, it says this is similar to Start Here. It's kind of a little bit of an overkill, but the school really likes it. Then you can see over here, if you click on Syllabus, the syllabus will indeed open up for you, or you can download it right here as a Word document. There's the syllabus. You can read through all of this that I will go through the first day of class. In addition to that, here's the lab schedule. So these are the dates and what we're going to be doing. You know, there's three kind of versions of holidays: President's Day, spring break, and then Memorial Day. And actually, we have our final exam. You can see that before Memorial Day, because Memorial Day would be our last official day of meeting normally. You can see down here, instructor name, there I am, William Quarter. There's something about me if you're interested in that kind of thing. Okay, let's go back over here, refresh. We are going to meet, listen carefully, not on Zoom, we're going to meet on conferences. See it over there? So what you do is on the left-hand side, you click on conferences. This is going to show up. This is for the first one. And you can see this is the topic for the day, Introduction to Physical Geography Lab, along with the first lab, which is actually Lab 3 and the pH scale. I'm switching things around because I don't really have a lot of choice. We were supposed to meet, of course, in person for 7 class sessions, and then 7 class sessions were going to be remote. But because of the pandemic, we can't do that. So now suddenly we have to do everything remote, and I have to change things around. So just bear with me on this. Everything will work out. Then what you do is you click on Start Here, and it will allow you into the conference, and you'll see some stuff there, including your name when you show up. Okay? That's how we do it. Then you'll hear me talking, and I'll go through what's going to happen at that point. Once you get the rhythm of this, it'll all be fine. The first lab session, you can either click on Modules right here, or you can click over here on Module 1. But the first lab session will be found in Module 1. But let's take a quick look at the other things that are in modules. Now, everything that's green is published. This stuff right here, this is mine. You know, I'm the teacher, so they give me all this other stuff. But everything that's in green is published, and you can read some of this, like Welcome to Physical Geography in the Environment Laboratory. It's a little bit of information if you're interested in it. There I am, Professor William Quarter. Then you can click Next. There's the next thing that leads you back to the syllabus. Click Next again. Instructor contact. Hey, there I am. That's me at the Taj Mahal. There's some information. Once again, this is stuff about my chickens, I guess. Communication plan, so on. Okay? We come back over here to modules. I know this is not the quickest way to do it. But you know, when you're 58, sometimes you do this technology stuff slowly. Then we're going to come over here. You can see that this is not all green yet. It will be green on Monday, though. And what's going to happen is you will look through this material, hopefully. Module 1 Introduction tells you what we're going to do. If I click Next, this is the PDF. So if you got the labs mailed to you, then you should already have that. If not, it doesn't matter because you have the PDF right here. Click on that. It will allow you to open it just like this. And there it is. There's the lab. And what we're going to work on in the first lab class is all the way down here. This is what we would be doing if we were doing it in person. Some of this we're going to do, though. So you reach this place right here where it says water quality. Okay? And that's on page 18. Then you can see the pH scale, water pipe diagram, and then exercise 3.7, and then these testing questions, which is primarily what today's lab or Monday's lab is going to be about. Okay, back over here if I can. Get out of this somehow. I've got to get out of this. Wait. There we go. Thank you. Then you'll see that, if you click, this is the experiment that's going to be done. That's me again. So if you just click on that, you will see this experiment happen, and you're going to answer questions on it. It's 11 minutes and 45 seconds long. And come over here. This is the PowerPoint that I'm going to use today. So if you click on that, it will also open up for you, so you can refer back to it. And then this is the quiz that you're going to take today, which is worth 15 points. Notice you have 120 minutes to do it. Notice also it opens on February 8th at 1:45. It closes at 9 p.m. on February 8th, which means you must have it done by 9 p.m. If you do not have it done by 9 p.m., you're going to take a 0 on this. And you cannot open and close this. Once you open it, you must complete it. But I'm giving you all that time to figure out your 120 minutes, your 2 hours to take this. It shouldn't take you 2 hours to do it, but I want you to have the greatest possibility to succeed in this class. And you'll have 2 attempts to go through this quiz. So you do it once. If you don't get them all correct, you could do it again. And Canvas will automatically grade the highest of those 2 scores. Okay? However, if you do not get this completed by 9 p.m., Canvas is going to record that as a 0. I cannot reset this for you. So it must be done at that time, okay, or by that time. All right, let's go back over here to home. Actually, let me click right here to next. And then that's the end of Module 1, which is the first lab exercise that we're going to do. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me.